Industries are increasingly using cyber services relying on monitoring and controlling physical devices over communication networks. Such systems are also known as cyber-physical systems. When several players are involved in such a cyber-physical system, lack of digital trust causes grand critical challenges. For example, smart use of energy resources, such as electric vehicles, heating of buildings, and solar power plants, is very safety critical, but can also be very valuable in energy markets. Digital services relying on presence and location of people at home, in traffic, or in archipelago opens new innovation possibilities. However, the lack of privacy and trust seem to prevent them. Think what kind of new opportunities would be open if creation of digital trust between people and physical devices, and digital services of companies would be possible in such cyber-physical systems. The conditions of a building and physiological situation of Anne are monitored. The information is applied for optimizing conditions of the building so that it is also good for Anne. Anne checks the charging status of her electric vehicle, which is ready for work travel. The smart use of energy resources enables lowering the peak loads in the electric grid. The energy manager monitors the energy consumption and production situation, and controls the use of energy resources. Artificial intelligence is applied for smart use of them. The capability to up or downscale them is called energy flexibility. Multiple of such energy resource sites can establish an energy community, whose combined resource flexibility can be forecasted. Anne wants to minimize her energy cost by using her energy resources in an optimal way. Therefore, she joined an energy flexibility community, which uses the energy market aggregator services for gaining economic benefits. The contract is created between Anne's energy resource manager, flexibility community, and the energy market aggregator for sharing required information and added value. Anne signed the contract using her wallet application, and it is stored into the distributed ledger to ensure persistent shared digital trust. Aggregator combines and trades the energy flexibilities in the energy flexibility markets. The added value is shared according to the signed contracts. While working in the office, Anne receives a notification on high temperature in her home. She requests services from the hosting company of her building. The hosting company delegates maintenance service company to solve the problem. The access rights for the home and its heating automation system are temporarily delegated for the service person to enable solving the problem. Anne can continue working because she can trust that access rights are in control, and the service person fixes the problem at home. On the way towards home from the office, Anne gets information about a traffic jam and decides to change the route. But the new route is too long, and Anne drives too fast. Along the trajectory, Anne's average speed is measured by 2 cameras. Because she is driving only a little above the speed limit, the administrative fine is handled by the trusted back end of the municipality instead of the police. Today, Anne has exercise with her football team. Smart watches measure performance of team members. This enables creation of customized and more effective training sessions, plans, and targets for the team. Anne likes to make long biking sessions with her husband. This time her husband is very concerned about the safety, because there are hunting groups in the area where they want to go. However, there is no worry, because hunters know their location due to the new technical solutions. Smart watches allow location information exchange between devices of the hunters. Therefore, the risk for hunting accidents can be lowered. You have seen some examples of novel innovative applications, which are enabled by the novel digital trust solutions provided by the TIOCPS project. Thank you for watching.